Today, we'll show you how to install your Highpoint booster seat with the backrest. Ensure vehicle seat is in the upright position before placing the booster on the seat. Push the seat against the vehicle seat back. Ensure it is positioned correctly so the vehicle head restraint allows the backrest to lie flat against the vehicle seat back. If the vehicle headrest affects the position of the booster, you should remove it. Push the lower connector release button and pull lower connector to fully extend the lower connector adjuster strap. Repeat on the opposite side to ensure all slack has been released from lower connector system. Verify lower anchor straps are not twisted. Push lower connectors onto their adjacent lower anchors in the vehicle. A click helps confirm lower connectors are attached. Pull on lower connectors to confirm a secure attachment. Guide the booster seat into place while pulling the lower connector adjuster strap to remove slack.